Let's talk Delta Airlines. It is the worst performing stock in the S&P 500 today. That is after it posted a profit miss for the second quarter due to rising costs and cancellations. Jim Lebenthal, he owns it, which is why we made him call in and talk about it. So, you bought it last quarter. Ed Bastian, the CEO, was all fired up. He was saying how great things were, and he convinced you to buy his stock. Now what?
I just love your intros. I always love them, Scott. You know, he's fired up again. He's fired up again, Mr. Bastian. Here are the positive things that came out of this call. There's no crack in consumer demand. Even more importantly, international and corporate travel is picking up. International travel is up to 65% of 2019 levels. At the beginning of the year, it was at 40%. That's where more money is made, international and business travel. He sees no demand faltering. In fact, the comment he made is whatever's going on in the economy, he's not seeing it in his business. Now, the quarter was bad because of the cancellations that you mentioned and the costs associated with them. That's a temporary phenomenon. They're working on it. They're hiring more people. It takes time. But as long as demand hangs in there, this is a good stock to own, and I'm very happy owning it.
Wow. I mean, you didn't mention operating margins below their recent guidance. I mean, why'd you leave that out?
Well, I think I alluded to it when I mentioned
you didn't. You said no. You talked about the cancellation and delays increasing costs, but jet fuel was a big part of their story. It is interesting that they didn't give guidance all that long ago, and it still came in below that. And frankly, there's no reason to believe that there's going to be some giant reprieve from where jet fuel prices are now. Maybe it's temporary.
Au contraire, my frere. Look at where crude oil prices are. Look at where refined product margins are. Gasoline at a very least is down 25% month over month. Crude oil's down about 20% in just the past couple of weeks. That's going to translate into lower fuel costs, period.
Okay. So I got your take there. And then I was wondering, do you still own Alaska? And that stock has gotten absolutely hammered. And I'm wondering whether you still own that, whether you think you still will stay with it, and do you have as much optimism about it as you do Delta?
Yeah, I do own both of them, and I'm going to continue to own both of them. Now, Alaska is not going to benefit from the international travel, but what it does benefit from is a pristine balance sheet that really gives it an operating margin benefit. On top of that, I think what we're seeing here in Delta's report is that whatever these fears of a recession are, and they are what has depressed prices of airline stocks, it's just not showing up in the actual traffic, whether it's Delta's reported numbers or TSA passenger counts, which are hovering at about 90% of 2019 levels. Airline travel demand is pretty high and shows no sign of ebbing.
We're going to see about that once the summer travel peak gets out of the way. Then the rubber's really going to hit the runway. Let's say it that way.
Okay. Mr. Bastian, again, is saying that he sees no sign of demand faltering. I mean, those are his words today.
Okay. No, that's all good. I appreciate it, Jimmy. Thank you. Thanks for coming on.